Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting the BNB Crops Farmer, which has been audited by Cybercrime Shield, as we can notice in this smart contract audit report. And if we go back to the main site, we can also find this countdown since this project starts the 29th at 2 a.m. UTC time zone, so please save the date. You can find all the related links down below this video, and remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, the BNB Crops Farmer is pretty similar to the previous projects that we have analyzed a couple of videos ago. For instance, the first one, the VUSD Crops Farmer, as you can see here, and also the USDZ Crops Farmer, as you can see here as well. And you can find all the links here, so if you want to go directly to these websites. Well, this project works in the same vein with some improvements to make it more sustainable, and instead of using stable coins, it operates with BNBs. Therefore, this decentralized application is built, as you can probably notice, with the Binance Smart Chain. So first of all, it is very important that you change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the BSC1 to operate in this platform. And well, how to invest? It will be very easy and safe since there is no particular token. You just need to have your BNBs that you previously bought in platforms such as Binance, for instance. And basically, with these BNBs, you just have to click here to approve. Here we are, the contract, and then to hire your farmers, that is to deposit your amount and start earning passive rewards. Basically, the object of the game is to hire more farmers sooner and more often than all the players. This in turn gives you more BNBs faster. These farmers work tirelessly, giving you a daily average of 6% of your farmer's value. That is almost a 2,200 APR daily. And the daily percentage return depends on players' actions that are taken within the platform that impact the farmer's efficiency rate, which rises and falls as users buy farmers, rehire here more farmers, that is rehire their earnings and sell their crops for receiving BNBs. Besides, you can earn an extra 7% bonus if all the people use the referral code generated here once your wallet is connected. It is important to take into account that once farmers are bought, they cannot be sold, and the investment made to hire or rehire them cannot be taken back. However, once bought, farmers will produce yield constantly. It is also important to clarify these points that are mentioned here, these benefits indeed. To ensure basically sustainability and longevity of the project, users must compound at least 10 times, 10 mandatory times before they can withdraw. If a farmer decides not to compound or hire more farmers using the earnings and continuously withdraw, farmer will be charged with an 80% feedback tax for these early withdrawals. And if the player makes 2 or more consecutive sales, this tax will be applied. However, to further encourage the community to rehire, that is to compound, there will be an additional 2% bonus for each compound action, which can stack up to a 20% for 10 consecutive times, or which is the same 5 days. By doing so, this will ensure the long-term potential profit of every investor. BNB Crops Farmer has also a very unique feature which effectively decreases the amount of farmer inflation that occurs over a long period of time. Every sell action will only add a 50% of the amount sold to the total supply, although miner add 100% of what is sold to the total supply. This means the contract will have a lower inflation rate, keeping the farmer's supply more scarce and more valuable than other mining platforms. Besides, the BNB Crops Farmer has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure the longevity of this project project. These measures include maximum deposits, an anti-bot launch, as well as cutoff time and cooldown time for withdrawals. The cutoff time is the amount of time it will take for your cart, for your bag to be full of rewards. Once this cart or this bag is full, it will stop filling until you've taken some action in the game. There are 48 hours rewards accumulation cutoff time. And in the same bind, the cooldown time here is the amount of time one has to wait before being able to make another withdrawal. In this case is 4 hours. Finally, it is also very important to bear in mind that this type of contracts work very well with the community following the 6-to-1 strategy. This means that you rehire, that is, you compound your earnings of 6 days, and harvest, that is, you withdraw your earnings of 1 day. But remember that there is a 5% developer and marketing fee taken upon all deposit and withdrawals. So take it into account when following your strategy. By the way, here there is an important note, at least I consider as them that it is important, and they are donating a 0.3% of the TVL, that is the total value locked, to a charity initiative. So thanks and congratulations. And that's all. An interesting project to bear in mind. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this video, and save the date of the launch. I repeat, the 29th at 2 a.m. UTC time zone. See you in the next video. Thanks.